Turn your balcony or backyard into a mini farm. In this beginner's guide, I will show pot size, sunlight, watering clues, and days to harvest of 7 crops that thrives in small spaces. Zero guesswork. Pot size, sunlight, watering cues, days to harvest, beginner friendly. Copy this weekend, let's speed run. Lettuce. Pot size. 6 to 8 inches deep, a window box will also work. Sunlight. 4 to 6 hours, shade is okay. Watering clues. When the top 1 inch is dry, then water. Harvest time. Baby leaves in 20 to 30 days. You will have full heads in 40 to 50 days. If you can sow a little every 2 weeks, then be sure to get fresh bowls all month. Kale. Pot size. 3 to 5 gallons. Sunlight. 6 hours or more. Watering clues. Steady moisture. Do not ever allow it to be bone dry. Harvest time. Baby leaves in 25 to 35 days. Keep picking after 50 to 60 days for a long season. Cherry tomato, pot size. 7 to 10 gallons with a stake or a cage, sunlight. 8 hours or more with full sun. Watering clues. Water daily in hot weather. Mulching will definitely help. Harvest time. 60 to 75 days from transplant. Remove lower leaves for airflow. Feed lightly every 10 to 14 days. Pepper, pot size. 3 to 5 gallons. Sunlight. 6 to 8 hours or more. Watering clues. Once the top inch dry, then water deep. Harvest time. 60 to 80 days from transplant. Warm roots help, dark pots are useful to plant. Basil, pot size. 1 to 2 gallons, sunlight. 6 hours or more, light shade is okay, watering clues. Slightly moist, not soggy, harvest time. You can harvest within 3 to 4 weeks, pinch the tops weekly to keep it bushy. Green onion, pot size. A 6-inch deep window box, sunlight. 4 to 6 hours, shade tolerant, watering clues. Steady moisture, harvest time. 21 to 30 days, leave the white base to regrow. Okra, pot size. 5 to 7 gallons, sunlight. 8 hours or more, watering clues. Water deep and be consistent, harvest time. 50 to 60 days. You can pick pods at 3 to 4 inches so the plant keeps producing. Recap. Shade-friendly crops are lettuce, kale, green onion, basil. Sun-loving crops are cherry tomato, pepper, okra. Start with 2 crops. Add the rest next month. Do you want watering on autopilot? Grab my DIY drip guide, parts list and a quick setup. Link in the description. Let me know the crop you want to start with in the comment section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy balcony/backyard growing!